Hello everyone, it's me JB from UniqueTutorials. Today in this video I will show you how to get CPU, storage, network and memory real-time uses data in Windows Taskbar. So without further more delay, let's begin. So for this, let me show you by opening the Task Manager by pressing the Ctrl+Shift+Escape on your computer keyboard. So you can see a Task Manager, right? So if you see on more and if you go to the performance, it will display the real-time uses of the CPU, memory, disks, even your internet connections or the Wi-Fi and also the GPU, right? But if you minimize it also, it will not display everything, right? Just it will get minimized. So it's not showing exactly what you want, right? So it's just you need to open this one and keep it open all the time, and just it will get minimized. And once you move the cursor on the respective icons, then only it will display how much CPU or GPU is being used. So this is not so much convenient, is not it? So for this we're gonna use a third-party software. So open any web browser and in the Google search just search this application name as Xmeters. Just search the application. So on the first list you will see its official website. Just click on it. So you can see its official website. So on the right top corner you can see a download option. Just click on it to download the file. So here you will see two different versions. One on the left side you can see is a free version, and on the right side you can see a professional version. But don't worry, in the free version you will get almost all the needy features which I'm going to show you. So just click on download to download the free version. So start downloading. So let me close the web browser. Wait for a few seconds until the complete downloading gets complete. So the file has been downloaded. So let me go to the folder where it is being located, and you can see your application name Xmeter Setup. Just double click it to run the installer. Now just select the I agree the license and click on install. Now wait for some more minutes until the complete installation process gets complete. So it's saying some applications are open, so just close the application that attempts to restart. So I have opened some applications on the background, so just it's asking to close the application, so I'll just click on OK. It will try to restart the Windows Explorer. So don't worry, it's totally safe. So finally the software has been successfully installed. Just click on launch. Wait for a few more seconds. So now you can see there's kind of user interface. So it's showing some message. Do you want the Xmeter toolbar on your taskbar? Just click on yes. Now you can see immediately in the bottom below, you can see here the first one on the left side you can see is a CPU, and just near to it is a storage, and just near to it is the network speeds, and just the last one on the right side corner is the memory. So it will display everything on the real time right on your Windows taskbar. So on the above you can see some settings that you can set. You can change the colors of the respective displays. You can change the storage colors. Again, you can select the respective drives, or you can select all. And on the next to it is the network. You can just change the receive or send colors. And last one on the right corner is the memory. So using these cool applications, you can easily get a CPU, storage, network and memory real-time uses data right on your Windows taskbar. So if you never known about this cool yet tiny applications, then you should definitely try it out. And if you really need such kind of applications which will provide or which will display you or shows you the real-time uses of your respective CPU, storage, network and memory real-time uses, then definitely it will gonna be helpful for you. So If you find this video tutorial useful, click on the thumbs like button, and if you're new to our channel, click on the subscribe button. And lastly, thanks for watching.